so we're almost finished going through this mastery test, and we've talked about study skills, summaries to get the skills, the surface level knowledge, looking for connections when we study and when we read problems, reading in chunks to get the content and looking for those connections. This question was the final one in the mastery test. Maddie paid $60,000 in pay-as-you-go tax last year. Calculate her taxable income. So if we come back to our tax table, we can see that what's happening is we're not starting on this side, we're starting here. This is the tax. Come back, work out what's over here. So 60,000, come back and work this way. So again, reading in chunks, 60,000 in pay-as-you-go tax, calculate her taxable income, making the connections, it must relate to the tax table. How do these fit into the tax table? This is the information I've given on this side. This is what I want from over this side. It means I'm going to have to do a bit of working backwards. Bit of problem solving, bit of thinking. 60,000 tax deductions. If I read the tax, nil, 19 cents, 3.5, 17,000, 54,000. I'm here. I'm at this point here. I'm bigger than that. I've paid more than that. So in other words, Maddie's earned more than 180,000. Lucky Maddie. 60,000. How much over that figure there is 60,000 is the thing that's sitting in my mind at the moment. So I'm going to go, well, what's my $60,000? Take away my $54,547. Work that out, and I'll find that that is $5,453. So that's how much extra above this. Now each of those dollars in tax came about because Maddie was over $180,000. And for each dollar over $180,000, she had to pay 45 cents. So in other words, this represents all the lots of 45 cents from being over $185. So my question is, how many lots of 45 cents are there in this amount? So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take my $5,453 and divide it by 45 cents. And that's going to tell me that there were $12,111.78, sorry, $117.78 above $180,000. So therefore her taxable income is going to be the $180,000 $180,000 plus this extra amount. If I have a look at that, add those together, that's the easy part, $192,117.78. So when you're doing problem solving questions, read into chunks, establish the content, carefully look for connections. Try not to make assumptions until you know exactly what's happening. Then think of how am I going to work this. Then get your strategy and just follow your strategy through and see where it takes you. All right, good luck with your study. What's next is, I guess, this will be the chapter review. So I want you to get into the chapter review for this topic and then prepare for that half-yearly exam.